All right, Weekend Modder subscribers, thank you very much for your patience. Better late than never, but as promised, today, February 15th, we are giving away the Xenon JTAG. Now, I actually haven't posted the video for this yet. I'm going to upload it as soon as I get done uploading this video of the giveaway, but people are starting to get nervous online whether or not I'm actually holding true to my word here. So I want to get the giveaway video up first. Then next will come the JTAG Xenon 2020 how-to video. And then from then on forward, you can expect the rate of about one video every 2 weeks where we're going to go through Trinities and Jaspers and all sorts of other consoles. So as you can see, this console isn't back together yet. I will be asking the winner what color LEDs they would like. We'll customize that to their liking. We'll provide a USB stick, obviously the case and all that sort of stuff as well. But this is the console as it sits right now, a true Xenon JTAG with the JTAG wiring still in place. In fact, I haven't even cleaned up the flux paste yet. So let's just take a look at this thing real fast. We'll actually let it boot up. Pretty cool, right? And then if we were to change my AV, what I would rather do actually, what would be more interesting is let me boot it with the eject button, and then I'll change the AV to the input for this and show you Zell booting. So here goes the console booted by pressing the eject button. And what you'll see is the normal looking boot. But what we get on screen, yeah, that's not a normal console thing, right? That's Zell going on. So we'll go ahead and complete the drawing and figure out who we're going to give this away to. Now, I really wanted to do the drawing live, like on here, but what I was afraid of was that perhaps I would end up giving away somebody's personal information, like their full email address, that sort of thing. So I did the drawing pre-recorded, but even pre-recording, I went to see if it would, in fact, show me the information, and I ended up basically clicking the Pick a Winner button in this Rafflecopter software that we use. So all that to say, I already know who the winner is, actually. It is Joel H. Joel H, based on the IP address, which I've hidden here, likely of Canada. But Joel H, you have won this Xenon JTAG console. I've already reached out to you via email, and we'll go ahead and get this thing packed up, all prettied up, and out to you here directly. But Joel H, congratulations. Everybody else, thank you for entering. There were several hundred entries, over 200, so that's really cool. And thanks, a big shout out again to our friend Shawn Wayne. If you check out the JTAG tutorial video, I actually got a shout out to and a link to his YouTube channel because he's the one who donated this console originally to allow us to make a tutorial video out of it and then give it away promotionally as well. So thank you very much again to our friend Shawn Wayne who donated the console in the first place. Take care.